Welcome to the sacred Char Dham Yatra by helicopter, known as the Four Abodes. The Char Dham Yatra is a revered pilgrimage to four temples in Uttarakhand: Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath. This journey, also called the Uttarakhand Char Dham or Chota Char Dham, is a path to divine blessings and spiritual elevation. This year, the Char Dham Yatra begins on April 28, 2025, and Blue Heights Aviation offers a meticulously planned 5-night 6-day helicopter experience, including VIP darshan at each dham and top-tier accommodation. With VIP darshan, our guests receive exclusive expedited access to the temples, minimizing waiting time and ensuring a comfortable experience. The helicopter tour itself saves time, making the yatra accessible even to those with limited days available. Our package includes a 5-night 6-day helicopter tour with stays at top hotels like Hyatt Regency in Dehradun, and carefully we have chosen properties at each dham to provide you utmost comfort. So, let's embark on this divine journey. Your Char Dham journey begins in Dehradun, where a Blue Heights representative picks you up from the airport or railway station. A short drive takes you to your hotel. We use Hyatt Regency, Fairfield by Marriott, and other premium properties only, which will be your base for the night. Here, you'll enjoy a delicious dinner and breakfast before we start our spiritual journey. In the evening, our team will conduct a detailed briefing, an important session explaining key guidelines, helicopter boarding process, and temple visits. Attending this briefing is crucial. It helps ensure everyone's safety and preparedness, covering information on VIP darshan, the weight limitations for helicopter travel, and a guide to the spiritual journey ahead. You'll also receive a lightweight duffel bag to carry your essentials, symbolizing the simplicity and purity of this pilgrimage. Our first destination is Yamunotri Dham, the origin of sacred Yamuna river, where you'll travel 30 minutes by helicopter to Kharsali from Sahastradhara helipad Dehradun. After check-in at your hotel, a 6-kilometer palanquin trek takes you to Yamunotri temple, where the Yamuna Mata is worshipped. Yamuna is the daughter of Surya, the sun god, and sister to Yama, the god of death. Devotees believe that bathing in the Yamuna protects against untimely death, symbolizing purity and grace. This unique connection makes Yamuna Mata revered here. Yamunotri is home to unique hot springs like the Surya Kund, where devotees boil rice as an offering. This sacred spring is considered a blessing from Surya, Yamuna's father. After darshan, guests are taken back to Kharsali for the night, with evening visits to Yamuna Mata temple and Shani temple nearby. Meals at Kharsali and the other dhams include all vegetarian options with Jain options available. Day 3 of the tour takes us from Kharsali to the scenic Harshil Valley, a 30 minutes helicopter ride away. After check-in, we drive 50 minutes to Gangotri temple, the sacred birthplace of the Ganga. The river's story here is profound. Ganga descended from heaven to earth when Lord Shiva held her in his locks to prevent her mighty flow from flooding the land. This divine act was in response to the penance of King Bhagirath seeking purification for his ancestors. Just 18 kilometers from the temple is the Gangotri Glacier, a pristine landscape marking the source of Ganga. But due to time constraint, it won't be possible to cover in the package's duration. Closer to your hotel is the beautiful Bagori village, home to the Bhotia tribe, which showcases Himalayan mountain culture with Tibetan influences. Gangotri's evening aarti is unforgettable, with hymns echoing through the valley as the Ganga flows beside the temple, connecting every devotee with the Divine Mother Ganga. Guests return to their Harshil accommodation for the night, enjoying a hearty pure vegetarian meal and preparing for the journey ahead. On the day 4, we journey to Kedarnath via Sirsi, Fata or Guptkashi. We start our 30-minute flight from Harshil Valley and land at Sirsi, Fata or Guptkashi, where guests board a government-operated helicopter shuttle for a 7-minute ride to Kedarnath. The temple is at an altitude of 3,583 meters, is dedicated to Lord Shiva. According to the legend, Pandavas visited Himalayas in search of Lord Shiva so that they can seek forgiveness from the sin of their brother's murder and can achieve salvation. Shiva took the form of a bull to evade the Pandavas but left his hump behind, where the Bhim recognized him and started pulling him through his tail. The Pandavas built the temple in gratitude for forgiveness. The Kedarnath temple, originally constructed by the Pandavas, stands 85 feet tall and has survived extreme weather, including the 2013 flood, thanks to a massive rock believed to be Lord Shiva's protection, which protected the temple and was named afterwards as Bhimshila. Guests can also visit the Bhaironath temple, the protector deity of Kedarnath, and the Samadhi of Sri Adi Shankaracharya, who renovated the temple and made it open for the people to come and worship Lord Shiva. Guests staying at Kedarnath can perform the Abhishek Puja and evening Aarti at the temple. A standard itinerary includes a stay in Sirsi, Fata or Guptkashi with optional booking for an overnight stay at Kedarnath Ji hilltop. Devotees can participate in Abhishek Puja or evening Aarti if they want to. After darshan, guests return to Sirsi, Fata or Guptkashi for the night, enjoying a traditional vegetarian meal. The final dham, Badrinath, is a 30-minute flight away from Sirsi, Fata or Guptkashi. After check-in, a short drive brings us to the Badrinath temple for VIP darshan. This dham, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is where he meditated under the Badri tree with his consort Lakshmi, shielding him as a tree from the cold. Just beyond Badrinath is Mana, India's last village before the Tibet border. In this village lie the Vyasa and Ganesha caves, where it is said that the sage Vyas dictated the Mahabharata to Ganesh. There are a few more places to see in Mana Gaon, like Saraswati Nadi, Saraswati Mandir, Bhimpul, and a lot more. The day concludes when you return back to your hotel for an overnight stay and enjoy satisfying vegetarian dinner. Badrinath Dham offers several pujas to perform. Main ones are Mahabhishek Puja, which happens early in morning around 4 am, which devotees can perform on the day 6th of the itinerary. The Mahabhishek Puja at Badrinath Ji is a deeply revered and spiritually significant ritual performed by the devotees to seek divine blessings from Lord Vishnu. And Shayanarti, which people can perform in evening of day 5, and is important as it marks the end of the day's worship and symbolizes Lord Vishnu's divine rest. Our journey concludes as we fly back to Dehradun, carrying divine blessings and memories from each dham. This sacred experience connecting with the deities of life, forgiveness, wisdom, and compassion leaves every devotee spiritually renewed. For those interested, here are the answers to some common questions. Pricing.
The price for our Char Dham Yatra 5 nights 6 days helicopter tour is 2,35,000 rupees per person.
And the helicopter services are operational in the month of May, June and September, October. Due to the weather conditions, we recommend travelers to keep 1 or 2 days extra available to avoid disruptions in the tour. Weather contingencies. In the case of bad weather, our flights may be delayed, but our team is available to help with rescheduling options for the next day or so. Accommodation charges in this condition will be borne by the traveler only. Refunds are given if flights cannot be operated due to weather or unforeseen circumstances as per the terms and conditions mentioned in our detailed PDF itinerary. May this sacred journey bring you peace, fulfillment, and blessings from Yamuna Mata, Ma Ganga, Lord Kedarnath, and Lord Badrinath. For more information and bookings, please contact Blue Heights Aviation on the contact details given on the screen.
हेलो आशा।
हेलो,
कहाँ?
मेरा नाम आशा चौबे है। मैं 4 धाम करके आई हूँ। उस कंपनी का नाम है ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और बेस्ट इनकी सर्विस रहती है। और मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से इन लोगों ने सब दर्शन कराया और बहुत सम्मान किया। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे पूरे परिवार ने, हम लोग 6 जन थे, हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से दर्शन किए हैं। थैंक्स ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड।
नमस्कार। आज आप लोग 4 धाम की यात्रा कंप्लीट करके आए ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन के साथ, कैसी रही
बहुत
आपकी
अच्छी लगी, बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट था। सब जगह हमें बहुत अच्छा वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट मिली और हम बड़े खुश हैं। काफी अच्छा लगा
जी।
सभी जहाँ भी अरेंजमेंट थे बहुत अच्छे अरेंजमेंट थे आपके और अच्छा रहा हमें।
धन्यवाद।
वेरी नाइस,
थैंक यू।
गुड, सभी बहुत अच्छे।
थैंक यू।
हमारा ट्रिप बहुत अच्छा रहा।
थैंक
वेरी
यू।
गुड।
आप लोग दोबारा से आइएगा दर्शन के लिए,
हाँ जरूर
हर साल आइए।
जरूर आएंगे।
दिल कर रहा है कि हर साल जाए। इतना अच्छा अरेंजमेंट था, पता नहीं
बिल्कुल।
चला।
बहुत
जी।
अच्छा लगा,
मोस्ट
बहुत अच्छा
वेलकम।
लगा। वेरी
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार सर, आज आप 4 धाम की यात्रा पूरी करके आए अपनी फैमिली के साथ, कैसी रही आपकी यात्रा?
मेरी यात्रा बहुत ही सुखद रही और मैं रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ से आया हूँ। मैंने ब्लू हाइट एविटेशन से अपना जो भी ट्रैवल की बुकिंग की और इनका बहुत ही अच्छा मेरे साथ कॉपरेट रहा
जी।
केदारनाथ थोड़ी परेशानी हुई वेदर की वजह से, दैट्स ऑल राइट। उससे कोई आपको दिक्कत हुई नहीं। रुकने के लिए वहाँ बढ़िया जगह भी मिल गई थी हम लोग को
जी।
और बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। मैं चाहूंगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आप लोग के साथ ही अपनी ट्रैवल यात्रा करूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।
My name is Krishna. I'm here with my mother. We came from Hyderabad to visit Kedarnath and Badrinath through Blue Heights Aviation. Our experience so far is too good. Thanks Blue Heights for a nice darshan.
We just completed Char Dham Yatra from Blue Heights Aviation. It was a wonderful experience. Every detail was taken care of. It was seamless. There was no waiting time, and especially traveling with a young kid like her, we had a good time. We didn't face any issue. It was actually a thoroughly enjoyable experience and no hassles, no whatsoever difficulties we faced.
Thank you so much. And how was the experience with our handlers?
Wonderful. They are actually very knowledgeable and they know the ins and outs. They will take you through the shortcuts and all. So there would be the 3 kilometer would be like 1.5 kilometer for you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Please do visit again.
Yeah.
Thank you. नमस्ते सर, नमस्ते मैम. आप लोग अपनी 4 धाम यात्रा कंप्लीट करके आए ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन के साथ. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
एक्सीलेंट. वी एंजॉय. बहुत मजा आया. हमारी सालों से इच्छा थी 4 धाम यात्रा करने की, क्योंकि 4 धाम यात्रा की बोलते हैं एज होती है. कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि थोड़े लेट जाए
जी.
बट मेरे हिसाब से पहले था ना, अदरवाइज भी मतलब वी हैव एंजॉयड इट एंड एक्सीलेंट सर्विसेज. देयर दिस सेक्टर इज लॉट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी होती है, बट उसके बावजूद भी जो टीम है बैलेंस करके हमें इंश्योर कर रहे कि हम चारों धाम के अच्छी तरह से दर्शन कर पाए. और हमारी 4 धाम बहुत ही अच्छी रही. दर्शन तो चारों जगह पे इतने बढ़िया हुए कि हम पूछो मत.
थैंक यू.
केदारनाथ में तो मतलब अभिषेक करके आए तो मतलब रियली हैप्पी. तो बोलते हैं ना, मन की एक मेरी इच्छा जो थी 4 धाम यात्रा की वो पूर्ण हो गई है. And I'm very much satisfied and I recommend कि Blue Heights is a good service provider. Recommend and give them an opportunity to serve.
થેન્ક યુ સર. મેમ આપकी ગુજરાતી जनता के लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
कुछ नहीं, बस એમ જ બોલવાનું છે કે મને બી બહુ ડર લાગતો હતો પેલે એરપોર્ટમાં બેસવાનો, પણ આ યાત્રા કરીને હું બહુ જ ખુશ છું અને બહુ સેફલી એરપોર્ટ લઈ આવે છે. બધા જરૂર જજો અને અમને બહુ મજા આવી છે.
धन्यवाद. दोबारा से ज़रूर आप लोग आइएगा यात्रा पर. थैंक यू. सर नमस्ते मैम.
नमस्ते.
आप लोग अपनी 4 धाम यात्रा कंप्लीट करके आए हैं आज ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन के साथ. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
फैंटास्टिक.
हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि हम इतना जल्दी 4 धाम का प्लान करेंगे, लेकिन ब्लू हाइट का ऑप्शन आया और हमने उसमें एनरोल कराया और हमारा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. इन लोग का अरेंजमेंट वगैरह बहुत ही अच्छा है और सबको मैं तो रेकमेंड करूँगी कि इनके साथ अपनी 4 धाम यात्रा करेंगे तो बहुत सुखद अनुभव रहेगा.
और मैं इसमें एक ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि जो सर्विसेज हर्षित और जो जगदीश जी ने हमें दी है, वी आर रियली थैंकफुल टू देम एंड ओवरऑल हैंडलिंग वाज टू गुड.
Thank you.
ओनली थिंग यू शुड बी ready to face certain uncertainty mainly because of the weather condition here.
Correct.
But overall they really take care of things very well and they do micromanagement quite well. So we are very happy.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. आप लोग दोबारा से ज़रूर विजिट करने आइए. थैंक यू सर.
Was excellent. Really enjoyed it. Starting from the inquiry till the very end. Rajesh ji in particular from Blue Heights Travels and you yourself. Harshit yourself and Nilesh and even the captain. Captain Varun. Everyone was excellent. So
Thank you so much.
Really happy. Can't complain. Yes, as sir suggested, there can be some minor improvements.
Sure.
Very happy and we strongly recommend to anyone
Sure.
who is looking to do both the 2 dhams in one day.
श्योर
Really
सर.
awesome.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैम आप.
Everything excellent.
थैंक यू सो मच. And yours experience?
It was a lifetime experience.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your company and everybody here.
Thank you so
Pilot
much.
was very good as well in both the towns.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll consider your review and improve everything you liked and disliked. Thank you so much for visiting. Please visit again. Thank you. Jai Shri Kedar. Namaste everyone. You all have completed your 4 Dham Yatra with Blue Heights Aviation today. How was it?
It was a very good experience and all the facility given by Blue Heights Aviation is very nice and beautiful. And we didn't face any much this one due to climate weather conditions. We delayed the helicopter. Otherwise, everything is fine.
Thank you so much. Sir, being a senior citizen, how was it?
Very fine.
Very fine. Please do visit again. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you. Please. Namaste sir. You have completed your 2 Dham Yatra today with Blue Heights Aviation. How was your trip?
The trip was great. An excellent hospitality from Blue Heights. Thank you very much for your kind hospitality.
Thank you so
It was
much.
great.
Thank you. And how was the experience with our handlers?
Yeah, handlers were pretty good. In fact, in Kedarnath and Badrinath, they were really experienced and they did a great job.
Thank you so much, sir. Please do visit again.
Sure.
Thank you. नमस्कार सर, आज आप दो धाम की यात्रा कंप्लीट करके आए ब्लू हाइट्स एविएशन के साथ। कैसी रही आपकी यात्रा?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत मजेदार, बहुत बढ़िया दर्शन हुए। आपके देहरादून स्टाफ ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, आपके केदारनाथ धाम के स्टाफ ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, सिरसी में तो बहुत ही सेवा करी,
बहुत सेवा करी
दोपहर को भी।
इतना स्टाफ आपका हॉस्पिटैलिटी वाला था, जो हमने डिमांड की वो सब दिया उन्होंने।
थैंक यू।
सब कुछ किया, चॉपर भी टाइम से लेके आए और हमारी यात्रा इतनी स्मूथ हमने एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं करी थी इतनी स्मूथ हो सकती है। वीआईपी दर्शन हुए हमें केदारनाथ के अंदर एकदम अच्छे, बद्रीनाथ में भी वीआईपी दर्शन हुए और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा। इनफैक्ट हमें टेंशन थी, लेडीज हमारे साथ हैं, उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहेगा, लेकिन लेडीज ने बहुत बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय किया। इट वॉज टायरलेस जर्नी एट ऑल।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मॉर्निंग 5 AM to 4 PM and it was tireless journey. We enjoyed a lot and we recommend Blue Heights for future Char Dham, Do Dham, whatever you guys are doing, you are doing fabulous.
Thank you so much.
You have raised your standards and keep it up.
Thank you so much.